Welcome to Krishi Hospital. This is agriculturist Asif Ahmed again with another practical tutorial on biological data analysis. So sit tight if you are a subscriber, and if you are not, then subscribe and hit the notification bell, because in this channel me and my team will bring you back-to-back content on problems and solutions related to agriculture and agricultural science. Today I am going to show you how to construct a heat map in Microsoft Excel. Yes, you heard right, in Microsoft Excel, no need to go for any other sophisticated software. So let me take you to the computer screen. So here we are at the computer screen. I have the data set ready. So let's open the data set. So in this data set there is actually data of 5 varieties, 4 treatments and their performance on 12 parameters. This is my raw data set. So you can see every parameter has its different data. For constructing a heat map, raw data set is no good. First, what we need to do is we need to normalize the data into an uniform range. So why we need to do that? You can see that in this data set there are parameters that are having data ranging in hundreds. There are also parameters having data within 10. So this is a huge difference, and that's why we need to normalize the data into an uniform range. So the easiest way to do this is to divide the data of a single parameter with its highest value. So let's find out the highest value. Let's write maximum, select a single parameter, and then we'll go to auto sum. There is a drop down button. When you click the drop down button, you will find an option called max. You click max and it will give you the highest value of the parameter. I have the highest value for only one parameter. Now I have to do it for the rest of the parameters. To do that, simply just click the box, take the plus, click it and pull it across the row, and you will get all the maximum values of the other parameters. Now we have to write a formula to get the normalized data. So first let's copy the identifiers. Now in the first box I write the formula equal parameter value divided by the highest value. Now for the second box I do the same, parameter value divided by the highest value. Now if you do this for all the boxes, then your data set should look like this. So if you normalize your data set this way, then your data will remain within the range of 0 to 1. Now every parameter has the similar range, and for this the heat map will look very nice. To construct the heat map, what you need to do, you need to select the whole data set, and then you will go to the option conditional formatting and then color scale. There is already some set menu here. You can choose that. There is also an option called more rules, where you can choose your colors by yourself. So for the time being, let's select second option from the top. There is your heat map, but there is another problem. Heat map doesn't have numbers. They have only colors. So to remove these numbers, you select the data again, right click, and you will find an option called format cells. Click format cells and a window should pop up like this. At the last of this window, you will find an option called custom. You click that one, replace the general with 3 semicolon and click OK. This will hide your data. We will also be needing a separate color scale to define the range. In a separate cell, we'll make a scale from 0 to 1. Now what we have to do, we have to do the same conditional formatting, but be careful, we have to choose the same colors as the heat map. Okay, now we have the scale, but the problem is this scale looks like the heat map. But normally in case of heat map scales, the colors are more fused. So to get a fused scale, we need to divide our range in far smaller sections. Now if we do the same conditional formatting with the same colors of the heat map, let's see what happens. See, the colors are fused. Now let's compress the whole scale. That's it, our heat map is done and ready to use. You can just simply copy and paste the heat map in your report. So that's all about today's video. I have given the link of the dataset in the description, so go check it out. Put a comment if you have any queries, or you can also post in our Facebook group. Link is given in the description. Our group members will be more than happy to help you. Like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you later.